In my race week, we did winter STEM activities.
We read a book about the Biggest Snowman, and we made it.
And then we made snowmen. My hair got sticky.
He used toothpicks to make the arms.
I didn't know how many arms down behind. We tried to stack them together. We made snowmans. We read a book. We used marshmallows, toothpicks, and a ruler.
And we were making it, and we used toothpicks to make the arms, and it got really sticky all over us with the marshmallows.
Yes, all right.
We tried to make the biggest snowman ever.
My snowman was the tallest, and my snowman was the best.
We just put them all down. Other ways, like
We worked hard to make our sled fit 10 and not any bears falling out. And we worked out as a team. When they went down the hill, it fell out.
We don't like her, so we need another picture.
That's a lot. Ready?